Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will teach you how you can send Excel files like spreadsheets or documents to your account on Google Drive. It is very simple. So what you want to do first, guys, is head over to your Excel file and save it on your device like your laptop or desktop computer. To do that, click on File here in the top left, and after that select Save As here on the left hand side. And after that, choose your location, like for example, your device, which in this case here would be my PC here on the left hand side. After that, select the location here, give it a name, and confirm by clicking on Save here to save the given file on your device. Now it's time to upload it or to send it to your Google Drive account. To do that, head over to Google Drive and click on that plus new icon or button in the top left corner of your home screen and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Alternately, use the shortcut Alt-C then U on your keyboard. And after that, simply locate the given document or Excel spreadsheet on your device. Upload it, wait for the upload process to start and to be finished. And after a brief moment, the upload will be finished so that you, for example, may head back to your home screen here, refresh the page if necessary, and you will see the Excel spreadsheet listed here at the top of newly added files on Google Drive. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.